Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was working on a project for myself tonight, and I just started thinking about this might be helpful. If you brought your text in and it was center justified in your text, so everything's in the center, but you want to make the last name a little bit bigger or the date a little bit bigger, first of all, you can go Ctrl 8, the letter 8, and it'll make it just minutely bigger at a time. And it's also taking it from the center. You cannot just grab it and move it because it moves it from that corner. But you can hold down the Shift key and grab it from that corner and it'll grow it from the center. So Control 8 to make it a little bit bigger, Control 2 to make it a little bit smaller, and then Control 6 and 4. 6 goes quite a bit bigger, 4 goes quite a bit smaller. Let's see, it's up there at 90 points. I go to 100 points. It's going 10 points at a time. Where if I hit 8, it goes from 90 points to 91. It goes 1 point at a time. So the Shift key will allow you to grow it from your edge, but from the center, back and forth if you just want it to move it. But Control, you have a lot of control over it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.